Today in this video I am going to show you how to delete comments on Instagram in iPhone. Let's instantly fix your how. First, open your main screen and switch to Instagram. Now, if you want to delete somebody's comment on your post, find the comment you want to delete on your post. Swipe the comment towards left and you can see red color bucket option at the right side. Tap on this option and now your comment has been deleted. The question arises that how can I delete my comment on somebody's post or reel? Open the reel on which you have posted a comment. Now find your comment and swipe your comment towards left. Here you can see a red color bucket option in the right side. Tap on this and here you go. You have successfully deleted your comment. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.